For more than 60 years, the Bruce Trail has beckoned curious naturalists, intrepid hikers, and people from communities across Ontario with the promise of adventure and the offer of tranquility. The Bruce Trail was founded with the belief that if people had a way to connect with nature, they would want to protect it. This year has been an incredible reflection of this idea. Not only did the Bruce Trail facilitate 1.4 million hours in nature, but this year, with your help, 11 new natural areas were added to our conservation corridor. 4.7 kilometers of the Bruce Trail Optimum route was permanently secured. 613.5 acres of vital land were preserved. And 72.1% of the Bruce Trail is now on permanently protected land. With the support of our generous donors, we are also celebrating a record-breaking year. Together, we raised $29.85 million. Thank you for helping us create a lasting, living legacy on the Niagara Escarpment for future generations, and for supporting our mission to preserve a ribbon of wilderness for everyone, forever.